found the secret #1 tip to upgrade the DRZ400. I'll get you zoom in, get the cameraman to zoom in. I'll show you. Oh, wait, you don't have a cameraman. Tight ass budget here. Let's go down here. Let's go right in. I can see it. That's it. Let's just square that up. So what you do, you install a CNC valve cap. That's how it goes on. Yeah, and as soon as you put it on, that will make your DRZ faster. Now, I'll zoom out, just give me a sec. Now with the valve cap on, this is how you know you'll have a faster bike. See? With the valve cap installed on the DRZ, now your bike is not only is it faster, you've gained an extra piston and it should reach 148 brake horsepower. But there you go, that's the most simple way to upgrade your Suzuki DRZ400.